today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end a survey in Qualtrics based on an answer. If you want your survey to close early when a respondent selects a specific option, Qualtrics makes that possible with skip logic. This is a useful feature when certain answers mean the rest of the survey no longer applies, and it helps create a cleaner experience for respondents. To begin, open your survey in the Qualtrics Survey Builder. Make sure you're on the Edit screen where you can view and modify your survey questions and blocks. This is where you'll set the logic that controls what happens after someone chooses a particular answer. Once you're in the builder, click on the Sample Questionnaire block. This is the block that contains the question you want to work with. You'll need to select the relevant question area first so that the available settings and options appear. After that, move over to the left side navigation panel and scroll down. Some of the more advanced question settings are lower in the menu, so take a moment to look through the available options carefully. As you scroll, look for the option labeled Skip Logic. This is the setting that allows Qualtrics to send a respondent somewhere else based on the answer they choose. In this case, instead of sending them to another question, you'll use it to end the survey entirely. Once you find it, click on Skip Logic. This opens the logic setup where you can define what should happen for a selected response. If you're following along in your own survey, this is the key step where the survey behavior gets customized. Next, click on End of Survey. This tells Qualtrics that when the chosen answer is selected, the respondent should not continue to any additional questions. Instead, their survey session will be brought to a close immediately. After that, once everything looks correct, click Confirm. This saves the skip logic rule and applies it to the question. It's a good idea to double check that the logic is attached to the right answer choice, especially if your question has multiple response options. And that's it. You've now set up your Qualtrics survey to end automatically based on an answer. This is a simple but powerful way to control survey flow and make sure respondents only see questions that are relevant to them. If you're building more advanced surveys, features like this can save time and improve data quality by preventing unnecessary responses.